Hi, hopefully you are able to hear my voice. Can you hear me? Hari, Murli, Abhinav?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll start. And let me, you're able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Start. Just give me a moment. Okay, we were studying straight lines. You do try to solve problems based on this exercise 10.2 and 10.1.
Yes, sir.
How many of you tried?
Sir, I tried.
Are you able to solve problems or do you have any doubt in any problem? Do you have any doubt in any of the problem? We can go through that. Is my voice audible to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you have any problem in the, while solving questions? See, okay, since you guys are not answering, so I'll just carry on with the class. All right. Okay. See, we till now we have studied two types of, equation of line. That is one is your, what are the two forms that we studied? Anyone please tell me what are the two forms that we studied so far? Yesterday only we have studied. Yes, Hari. Hariharan.
Sir,
Yeah, what are the two forms we studied yesterday?
I was absent yesterday as I was not feeling.
Hari Raghav. Murli.
Sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
what are the two forms we studied yesterday?
So 1 second, sir.
See, various forms of equations of, see, whatever form of equation of line it is, it will always be y is equal to mx plus c. It will always be like this. Okay, we'll see that. Okay. Anyway, yeah, tell me what form we have studied so far. See, the first one that we studied was point slope form, right? Point slope form. Okay, point slope form, that means one point is given, and so from there you can find the slope, right? Slope,
Yes, sir.
m is equal to y minus y naught upon x minus x naught. See, when we are writing point slope form, that means the point is given x naught, y naught, and the slope is also given m. It will be given in the problem. Then only you can apply this. So from here, what you can write, y minus y naught is equal to m times of x minus x naught. So this will be your equation of line. Another one, what we studied. See, this was one form. Another is 2-point form. Remember?
2-point form, sir.
Yeah. 2-point form. That means 2 points are given. Okay, 2 points, let's say x1, y1 is given and x2, y2 is given, right? Now randomly here also we have taken a, see, the line will always, any curve will be defined by a point xy, right? Similarly here also the curve will be defined, any curve on xy plane can, any point on xy plane can be defined by x comma y, right? Isn't it? So if these two are given, so from here you can find the slope, m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, right? See, since you have the slope, now what you can write? You can write equation of line as y minus y1, okay, is equal to m. M is what? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, or Same equation of line you will get if you can write y minus y2. See, here we are using 0.1, okay, and here we are using 2 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 multiplied by x minus x2. Okay, it's just 2 points are given, and we are, see, the ultimate goal is always to find the slope and 1 point. That's it. And you'll be able to find the equation of line. We can manipulate it to different forms. Whatever forms we are studying, it is just manipulations, right? From manipulations of slopes, what we can say. Okay, that's why it is important to solve problems. Then only you will understand it. Okay, understood? See, the next form that we are going to study is slope-intercept form. Slope. So this is a third one, slope-intercept form. Okay, intercept means wherever it crosses y-axis or wherever it crosses x-axis. Okay, so here when we are writing intercept form, that means m is given to you. M will be given in the problem, or theta will be given in the problem. So m you can find tan theta, right? M is tan theta. So either theta or direct value of tan theta is given, will be given to you. Okay, in the problem. And intercept. Intercept is what? Okay, let's understand intercept. Let's say this is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. Okay, so this is y and x. All right. Now, if you draw any line, let's say like this. Now you can see it intersect y-axis at this point, right? And x-axis at this point. So this point P will be what? What you can write equation of P? Sorry, point P, what it will be? Let's say 0, comma A or C. Usually we use C. 0 C, and here let's write 0 B. Sorry, B0, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's say this is point Q. Let's say this point is point Q. Okay, now this is what will be given in your problem. If in fact this will not be given. Okay, it will just be y. When we are writing intercept form, that means only y-intercept will be given in your problem. So let me write y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept means wherever it is crossing y-axis. Okay, so if you find the slope, that means m is already given in the problem, right? M is already given. So you can write equation of line as y is equal to mx plus c. This will be your equation of line. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. So we are supposed to find the x-intercept here, the x point here.
Yeah, see, x-intercept here, the value of y, what will be the value of y? Like if you write point Q, so b is some x value where it is intersecting. We don't know.
Okay.
B comma 0 it will be, right?
Yes, sir. So we are supposed to find this point.
No, you don't need to find. See, m is already given in the problem. Okay, let's solve one problem based on this. Okay, let's solve this problem. So it's given tan theta. Okay, let's leave it. Is given theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay, with positive direction, positive x-axis in counterclockwise direction. See, generally in your NCERT, complete question is not written most of the time in CBSE, but this is the way you should write complete question. Okay, please understand this thing. Now here the angle is defined. Okay, and it intersect y-axis at -5. Okay, or it can be written 5 units below x-axis, right? 5 units below x-axis means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here somewhere. That means the point is 0, -5. Here it is intersecting. Okay, that means you are given the value of what values you are given in this problem? you are given y-intercept c, which is equal to -5, right?
Yes, sir.
And m is given. M is your tan 30 degree. Okay, which is equal to tan 30 is how much? 1 upon root 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now equation of line will become what? Y is equal to m. M is how much? Mx plus c. So this is your equation of line. So y is equal to x upon root 3 minus 5. This is your answer. Okay. That means see, m
Okay.
is given and c is given. Then only you can use slope intercept form.
Okay,
And
sir.
is it okay?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Right? You're getting my point or not?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. Now, see, the second one is intercept form. Only intercept is given. That means x-intercept. The fourth form is intercept form. Intercept form. See, in all equation of line, you will see common that we are finding the slope. Okay. Slope is the only thing that we are finding. That's why in the beginning we learned how to find slope. See, intercept form means x-intercept is given and y-intercept is given. X and y intercept. Okay, let's draw our axis. That means the coordinate system. So this is y, now this is x. All right, y, x. See, if you have doubt, please keep asking. Okay, no need to be shy. Let's say, let's draw a line. Let's say something. Okay, let's draw a line like this. Okay, just too thick. Some line is like that. Okay, it can be anywhere, it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter where it is. Now, any one of you tell me what will be this point and what will be this point, P and Q. Let's say this is P and this is Q. If I am writing, okay, this distance is, let's say, A from here to here, and this distance is B. Now tell me, what will be point Q? Yeah.
Q will be 0, B, sir.
0, B, very good.
And P will be A, 0.
A, 0, right? Now you have 2 points. These 2 points you have. Now can you tell me the slope? Tell me the slope. How you will find the slope? M. M is equal to?
X2 minus
Y. Remember, y2 minus y1
Y2.
upon x2 minus x1. What is the value of y2 here?
0.
0. Okay, you are taking any one. Let's say 0. Okay, 0 minus y1.
B.
B. Okay, good. Now this x2.
A minus 0.
A minus 0. That means what you are getting, M is equal to minus B by A. Right? That's what you are getting, no? M. You have got M, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you have got M. Now what else do we want? Now we'll just simply take any point x, y, right? We can take any point x, y. Now how we can write this? X minus x1. Sorry. How do we write equation of line? Just find the slope. Use any point. Let's say this is point R. Okay. Tell me the slope of RP. Okay. Slope of RP. How you will write? See,
Sir,
slope
y2
of
minus
R.
y1 B. X2 minus
See, yes. So slope of RP will be what? Y minus 0 upon x minus A. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
And this is also equal to M. Because it's the same line, no? It's the same line. If the line is same, the slope will remain same, isn't it? Which is equal to minus B by A. Is that okay? Yes or no?
Sir,
Please. If it is not, I will explain you again. See, the slope, now listen here, slope of this line and slope of this line are equal, right? So first we found the slope of this line, that is this. Fine. Now just to find the equation of line, you can write slope of either this line or this line. Anyone you can write, you will get the same answer. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, how y minus 0 by x minus a becomes minus v by a?
Just tell me. Okay, I'll go to next page. I'll just copy this all so that we can understand in next page. Okay, just give me a moment. Sorry. Okay. Yes, tell me, Raghav.
Sir, I don't understand the last slope
Okay,
of
okay, got it. So I'll explain. Till this far, is it okay with you?
Yes.
Till this far, it is okay, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the fourth form. Slope intercept. Yeah. So this is the fourth form. Slope intercept. Intercept form. Just intercept. So x intercept, y intercept is given. Now just tell me this. I'll write a statement. Slope of PQ is equal to slope of PR is equal to slope of QR. Just see if it is correct or not.
So slope of PR plus slope of PR.
No. See, we are not calculating the distance here. Why you are calculating the distance? Slope is just this angle. This angle is slope. Now, tan of this angle is slope.
Sir, it's equal, sir.
It's equal, no? See, tan of this angle will always remain equal. You draw a line parallel, you calculate this angle anywhere. It is always equal, right?
Yes, sir.
So slope is always equal. So for a given line, slope is constant. So this is one line. Don't add this distance. This is distance you are adding. This plus this is equal to this. That is distance, not slope. Got it?
Okay.
Now, slope of PQ we have already got is M. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Is this okay or not?
Yes, sir, that's clear, sir.
Is okay. Now, slope of PQ, we are writing minus B by A is equal to slope of PR. Tell me slope of PR. You have P, you have R. Tell me slope of PR.
So 0 minus y by a minus
0 minus Y, okay, upon
a minus x.
A minus Y. Okay, now tell me slope of QR.
Sir, a minus x, sir.
A minus X, sorry, yes. My mistake. Okay, now tell me slope of QR. QR, this one.
Sir, y minus b by x minus 0.
Okay, Y minus B by X minus 0. Okay. Now,
Okay.
what if, see, now either you can see what you want equation of line in XY form, right? So either you can use these two equations, these two equality, or you can use these two. You will always get the same result. Okay. First, what we'll do, I'll show you both method. Okay. So first we'll use this one, minus B by A is equal to 0 minus Y upon A minus X. Fine. So these two I'm taking first. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So till this far it is clear, right? No doubt.
Yes, sir, no doubt, sir. Clear.
Okay, now I'll just cross multiply. A minus X is equal to A minus X into minus B, right? Yes or no? Is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to minus AY. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, cross multiply. Now I'll just multiply it inside. Minus AB plus bx is equal to ay. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I'll just take x and y in same side. So ay, sorry, this is minus, no? This is minus ay, no? Minus ay, right?
Sir, yes, sir. Minus.
Yeah. So ay plus bx is equal to ab. Just see if this is correct.
Sir, it's correct.
Yeah. What I have done, I have taken this to this side and this one to this side. Okay. Now I'll divide the entire equation. Let's say equation number 1 by AB. I can divide it by AB throughout. So what we can write, AY plus BX is equal to AB. I'm dividing throughout by AB. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
See how actually we are, I have skipped one step. Okay, I'll show you that step. I don't want you to get confused. Okay, see when we are dividing throughout, that means you always divide like this, AB, AB. Okay, now since this is an addition, what we can write, we can just remove, that means individual division, what we can write here by AB, AB. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So now A and, can we cancel out these terms? A and A, B, B, A, B, B. Fine? Yes?
Okay.
Okay, so what this will become, Y by B plus X by A is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
So this is your equation of straight line in slope intercept form. Now see, A is your x-intercept, right? A is your x-intercept and B is your y-intercept.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Understood.
Now let's use these two. I want to show you that both will give same result, right? I'll just separate this one. Let me extend this. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll use this one. Minus B by A is equal to this Y minus B upon X minus 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So minus B by A is equal to, can we write Y minus B upon X? Yes or no? Okay. Now I'll just cross multiply. Minus XB is equal to AY minus AB.
Okay.
Okay. I'll just take it this side. Okay. So what I can write, minus XB minus AY is equal to minus AB.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So can we write this as XB plus AY is equal to AB? I've just taken minus 1 common. Yes or no?
Clear, sir.
See what I have done. I'll show you that step as well. You can take minus 1 common, XB plus AY, right? Can we write like this? Is equal to minus AB. And we cancel out this. Okay. Now again, divide what? Let's say equation number 2, 2 by AB. Can we do that? Throughout.
Yes, sir.
So now can we write XB by AB plus AY by AB is equal to AB divided by AB? Huh?
Yes, sir. It's by B bills.
What you are getting the same result?
Yes, sir. Especially.
X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1. Yes or no? Is
Yes,
both same equation of straight line? That means if you have a slope, you just need 2 points. Okay. To always remember, the equation of straight line is always same. Okay, for a given line, you use any point, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter which point you are using. You will always get the same equation. See, once what we did, I'll tell you from the beginning. What we did, we need to find slope. So we use this point and this point to find the slope, M. Okay. Now randomly we have taken any point on the line that can be represented by xy. We need equation of line in xy form. So slope of this is equal to slope of this is equal to slope of this, because these are collinear lines, right? Collinear means on same line it is, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so got it? Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Understood.
Okay. Now solve a problem. Give me a minute. Okay, solve NCRT. NCRT exercise 10.2. Everyone has got book, right? Exercise 10.2. Question number. Question number 13 and question number 16. Wait. Question number 13 and wait. 8. Question number 8. Solve these two. Solve these two questions. 8 and 13. Are you done? Solved it? Huh? Hari, Murli. Solve question number 8. Sir, please answer. Someone please answer.
Sir,
Yeah. Tell me.
sir, doing it.
You're doing it or you're not able to do it?
Doing it, sir.
Okay. So question number 8 is, I think, perpendicular form. So we haven't done perpendicular form, right? I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
Question 8 is perpendicular form, right? Okay, sorry. Solve question number 12 first. Solve question number 12. 12 and 13, let me see, find the equation. Yeah, 12 and 13. See, question number 12. It is, find the equation of line that cuts off equal intercept on the coordinate axis and passes through point 2, 3. Okay, what it is given, always draw your coordinate system first. Try to understand the problem, okay? See. Just solve this problem, leave it. Solve this problem, x, y, y, okay, it's given that x-intercept is -4, y-intercept is -12, -2, sorry, right, of anything, -12, -2. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line. Tell me, someone please tell me the answer. Yeah, tell me, Murli. Murli,
Sir, which question have you written now, sir?
I have just written a random some question because
Oh,
you know that, yeah, just solve this one. It's really easy. Right now, just now we have done this.
okay.
Tell me the answer, yaar, someone. Hurry.
Sir, x plus 2y is equal to 4, sir.
Okay. X plus 2.
2y is equal to 4, sir.
2y is equal to 4. Okay. See, this is just slope intercept form, right? We know x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, right?
Yes, sir. 1.
Now, x, a and b are given. This is a and this is b. So x upon a is how much? -4 plus b. Y upon b is how much? -2 is equal to 1. That's it. That's what you wanted to find. So this will become -x upon 4 minus y upon 2 is equal to 1. You can take the LCM if you want, or if you don't want, you don't need to take the LCM. Even you can leave it like this. So x upon 4 plus y upon 2 is equal to -1. You can also write this as, now whatever you'll be writing, it will be just different form. X upon 4 plus y upon 2 plus 1 is equal to 0, right? These are all the form. I'm just taking this to left hand side, -1. Okay. If you want, you can take LCM as well. So LCM will be 4. This will be 2x plus, oh sorry, x plus 2y, no? X plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Yes. So how you are getting this one? How you're getting that?
Sir, -4 I'm getting, sir.
Yeah, this should be -4 here. Okay, so this will be your answer. Got it? Okay, so solve. Now come to exercise 10.2. Solve question number 5. So question number 5 is find the equation of line which intersect x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of origin with slope -2, right? So x-intercept is given and you need to find what? And slope is also given. Now slope intercept form it is. So in this this problem, can you draw the line? Can anyone draw the line?
It will be in the third quadrant, sir.
See, it will be in actually it will be in, let's see. You cannot say just third quadrant, it will also be in fourth quadrant, right? And in second quadrant. Okay, let's see. So -4, 0. X is minus, so 1 point is this, -4, 0. And 1 point is -2. Sorry, 0, -2. Right? So the line will pass through these 2 points. Something like that. So this is the line, right? This is the line. Yes? So this equation of this line is x plus 2y plus 4. Is equal to 0. So you put any value of x, you will get a value of y, and that xy will lie on this line. Okay, that's the meaning. Okay, now solve this question number 5. Got it? Question number 5. See, find the equation of line which intersect x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left. That means, what is the intersection point? Let's say that point is P, which is -3, 0, isn't it? And the slope m is given how much? -2. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, let's draw this axis, our coordinate system. Very good, friend. Coordinate system. All right. Now we know the equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c. And C is your y-intercept, not your x-intercept, right? That we know. So there must, okay, so something, let's say C is here. We don't know where C is, so let's assume C is here. Of course, it won't be here, it should be in the negative side. We'll see why. Because the slope is negative, right? So let's say this is y, this is x, and this is your 0, C. And we are given this point, -3, 0. This is what is given to us, isn't it? And the slope, the line is, which one is the line? Okay, let's draw the line. So connecting these 2 points, this is the line that we need. Okay, so this is the line. Now the slope of this line is also given. How much is the slope? How much is the slope? -2, right? How do we find the slope of a line? If 2 coordinates we know, how do we write? M is equal to y2 minus y1. So 0 minus C upon x2 minus x1, right?
Okay.
So -3 minus 0. Yes. And this value is given -2. So from here, can you find the value of C? Just cross multiply. Minus C upon minus C upon -3 will be plus C. Sorry. Let me erase this. Minus C divided by -3 is equal to -2. Is that okay? Huh?
Okay, sir.
That means C will be equal to -6. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That means C is that means this point, let's say if this point is P and this point is Q. So Q is actually in the downward side here actually, right? Because we are getting the coordinate 0, -6. This is some randomly we had taken. That means this is not the line. Actual line is which one? This one. Okay. You are able to understand or not?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
See, this is just some random line that we had taken. Okay, this yellow line, just for the sake of representation. But actual line is this one. Okay, because see, the slope is already given -2, right? So -2, that means the line will always look like this. And if it will always intersect the y-axis here, because x-axis it is negative intersection. Okay, so this is why this line is actually, the required line is actually this red one line. Now we just substitute in this equation. 1, 2, and 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in 1. What you will get? Y is equal to M. M is how much? -2. X. C is how much? -6. So this is the equation of line. Got it? It is easy, no? Huh? Rahari? See, you just need to get that. See, this is the equation of this line. Okay, this line will always be defined by. So this is your y is equal to -2x -6. So you put any point, any value of x. Let's say x. Let's write x is equal to 0. Oh no, 0 to be already. X is equal to 5. So what you'll get y from here? Y will be equal to -2 into 5 -6. How much is that? -16, right? So if x is equal to 5, y will be, x is equal to 5, y will be equal to 16, -16. So this, the point will be somewhere here. Okay, that's what the meaning is. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, solve question number 6. Solve it. Find the equation of line which intersect y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin and makes angle 30. It's very easy. Find it. The slope is given, y-intercept is given. You just need to substitute in the formula. Do that. Done? Someone tell me the answer. Now, Murali, what
Sir.
happened? Yeah.
3y is equal to x plus 2 root 3, sir.
3y is, sorry.
Root,
Sorry, tell me again.
sir, root 3y is equal to x plus 2, 3, root 3, sir.
Root 3y is equal to x plus 2 root 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, it's given that find equation or passing, see, 2 units on y-axis. That means y-intercept value is given 0, 2 it is given, and it makes angle above the origin and makes angle 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. Okay, that means it makes angle 30 degree with positive direction. How it will be? So this is the angle that it makes 30 degree, but 30 degree. So if you cannot draw line there because it is not 30 degree, right? 30 degree it has to make. So how it will make 30 degree? It has to pass from in the negative side. Somewhere from here it has to pass. Then only it can make 30 degree angle, right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now what will be the slope of this line? M tan 30. Right?
Sir,
1 by root 3. Very good. Okay. Now y-intercept C value we already know is 2. So y is equal to m. M is how much? Root 3 x plus 2. So that's your equation of line. Or you can write root 3y is equal to x plus 2 root 3. That is also equation of line. Again, you can write x minus root 3y minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. This is again your equation of line. All are correct, okay? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Okay, so yeah, that will be all. No, something is wrong. No? This should be plus, right? This should be plus. Because what I'm doing, I'm taking this to this side, isn't it? We are taking this to this side, so it will be, if this is negative, this is positive, right? X plus 2 root 3 x plus 2 root 3 minus root 3y will be equal to 0, right? That is correct, no? So this one is correct. You have also got same, right? Yeah, this is correct. All right. So let's understand the normal form. Okay. What do you mean by, have you studied this normal form in your school? Straight line is over now in school?
Sir, it's going to our sir. It's going.
Okay, normal form. Let's understand. Why do we call it normal form? First thing is that, see, we have studied that if two lines are normal to each other, that means two lines are perpendicular, right? It makes angle 90 degree. So there is some line this and some line like this. If these two lines make 90 degree angle with each other, so this angle is 9. Sorry. So if this angle is 90 degree, so slope of this line is m1. Let's say slope of this line is m2. So product of m1 and m2 is what?
Sir, minus.
Yes. So this is equal to -1. That we know. We have proved this, right? If two
Yes,
lines
sir.
are perpendicular, that means their slope is, product of their slope is -1. If two lines are parallel, their slope must be equal. Okay? Yeah?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let's try to understand normal form. First thing, normal is clear. Now normal form. Okay. Again, we'll make this very good friend of our coordinate system. See, if you know how to represent things graphically, it will be very easy for you to understand things. You know? That's why I always put effort in graphs. XY, since this is a linear graph, so it is always very easy to understand. It doesn't matter what where line is. It can be here, it can be here, here, or here, like this. Anywhere it can be. I'll just take one example. Okay, will that be okay with you guys? Okay, if you're not saying anything, I think it is okay. Okay, let's say this is the line that we are studying. Let's name it. Let's say the name of this line is L. Okay, and it is passing through this x-axis and y-axis, which is not given in the problem. But what do we know of? We know that there is a normal on this line from origin. If you draw a normal on this line from origin, this is called, let's say, perpendicular. Okay, this is the perpendicular from origin. All right. Yes. So this is 90 degrees. And the slope of this line is given. That is, slope of perpendicular is given, omega. Or let's say theta, because we are already using for this slope. See, this is theta. And this is, let's say, alpha or omega. In your book, it is represented by omega. So let me use omega. This is theta. This is your omega. Okay. So this angle is omega and this angle is theta. So tan theta will give the slope of this line. Tan theta will be equal to m, slope of the line. But in your problem, tan theta is not given, means theta value is not given, but you are given omega. So this line is perpendicular line. Let me write perpendicular. Okay. Now we know the slope of this line. That means tan omega into tan theta is equal to -1. Yes. Yes or no? If these two lines are perpendicular, that means their slope is normal. If their slope, the product of their slope will be -1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. From here, can we find tan theta? -1 upon tan omega. Right? Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
So one is this method. By this method, we can find the slope, right? So from here, can we write m? This is slope of this line, m. So m is equal to tan theta, which is also equal to minus what? Cos theta upon sin theta? Cos omega upon sin omega. Tell me if it is correct or not. See, tan is always sine by cos, no? Tan omega is sin omega by cos omega. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is 1 upon tan, so cos by sine, it will be. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Just see it. See if this is correct. See, this is again slope of line L. Slope of line L. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now let's say this point, this perpendicular intersect at a point. You can name anything, P, or let's say, yeah, let's write P, why not? So it intersect at this line at point P. So you can have any coordinate of P, it doesn't matter, right? So P, what will be the coordinate of P if this angle is omega? How do you find the coordinate of P? Can anyone tell me? We have studied this. You have studied this in vectors also. In using trigonometry, can you tell me what will be the coordinate? In vectors also, you have used the same thing. See, now just look at triangle OPQ. OPQ. So in that triangle, what is point P? How can you write? What is OQ? How much will be OQ? How much will be PQ? Tell me. Anyone, please tell me. is PQ. See this length is, sorry, this length is P from here to here. Okay. If this length perpendicular is P, one length is given, one angle is given. Can you not find the other two sides? Can you find the other two sides? See, in a triangle, if you are given this side P and this angle theta, can you not find this side and this side? This will be P cos theta and this will be P sin theta. You forgot. Or in 10th class trigonometry, you haven't studied that.
Yes, sir.
It is right. So this is your P cos theta. In vectors also you might have studied in physics, first chapter, mathematical tools. P cos theta, this is P sin theta. Right? P is the length of perpendicular. Let me write P is equal to length of perpendicular. Okay, that means the coordinate of P will be P cos theta. Sorry, cos not theta. Here it is omega, na? P cos omega, P sin omega. Right? Yes or no? If you have doubt, please tell me. Tell me if this is correct or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now randomly you can take any point anywhere and all points will be x, y. See, that means the x coordinate of P is always P cos theta, P cos omega, and y coordinate is P sin omega, right? Is this hard to understand? Murli,
Sir.
do you understand this or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you have to reply. If you haven't understood, I'll explain it again. Hari, both Hari and Abhinav.
Sir, understood, sir, this.
Abhinav, how about you? You're getting it? It's just the length we are calculating because we need 1 point to find the equation of line, right? Now find the slope of PS. See, this is S, point S. Find the slope of PS. Slope of PS. Can anyone tell me the slope of PS? How do you find slope of a line? How do you write the slope?
Sir,
M.
y2 minus y.
Yes, what is y2 here? Y minus P sin omega, right? Upon x minus P cos omega. Is that okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let's say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Slope will be same. So can we equate equation number 1 and 2? Huh? 1 and 2. If we equate this equation, what we'll get? Y minus P sin, so minus cos omega upon sin omega will be equal to what? Y minus P sin omega upon x minus P cos omega, right? Now just cross multiply. That's it. When you cross multiply, what you will get? X cos omega minus x cos omega plus P cos omega square, P cos square omega, fine, will be equal to Y sin omega minus P sin square omega. Okay. See, cos square omega meaning is cos omega whole square. Okay. It does not mean cos omega square. Okay. Please understand this thing. This is where we make a lot of mistakes. Okay. Is that okay for you guys?
Yes, sir, it's okay.
Okay. Just give me a moment. Now find the value, find the equation of line. Got it? Got the equation? Anyone? Please tell me. You need to find, yeah. Anyone, please tell me. So what we can write, just rearrange it, that's it. You can take this y to this side and this term to this side, okay? So what we can write, minus x cos omega minus y sin omega is equal to minus p sin square omega minus p cos square omega. Is that correct? Correct, Murli? Abhinav, is that correct? Abhinav?
Yes.
Yeah. So can I take minus 1 common here? So I'll write x, or can we write, yeah, x cos omega plus y sin omega. Now I'll take minus p common here. Okay. So this will become sin square omega plus cos square omega. Is that okay? So minus and minus sign we can cancel out. And sin square omega plus cos square omega is what? 1? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So can we write x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is your equation of line when the length of perpendicular is given and the slope of perpendicular is given. Okay. Now let me write here, omega is equal to slope, or tan omega, let me write this. Tan omega is equal to slope of perpendicular and p is equal to length of perpendicular. See, perpendicular, now let me write again what is perpendicular. What we are considering perpendicular. What do we mean when we say perpendicular? See, perpendicular is this length from origin to wherever it intersects the line. Okay. So the length, tell me someone, the length from the measure of length, or I'm just writing the length, if you can understand. The length from origin to the point where it intersect a line, the given line, you can write the given line, L. Okay, the given line L at 90 degrees. Understood? That means what? See, from origin to the point where it intersect and at 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree, no? Perpendicular, if we are saying this is 90 degree. Yes or no? Is that derivation clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so solve problem based on this. Okay, now just see once more the equation of equation of line when perpendicular, the length of perpendicular and the slope of perpendicular is given. Okay, now write down a problem. Okay, find the equation of line whose perpendicular distance from the origin is 4 units. Okay, and the angle with the normal makes positive with positive direction of x-axis is 15 degree. So omega is equal to 15 degree. Okay. This is P is equal to 4 and omega is equal to 15 degree. Find out. What's the equation of line? Anyone tell me equation of line? Someone please tell me the normal form of line. I'm not asking this for this problem. In general,
Yes,
what
sir,
is
y
not
is equal to mx plus c.
x? What? What again?
Oh yes, sir. X by a
No.
plus.
X cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to P. This is the normal form now. See, this always you can reduce in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So if you are reducing it to let's reduce this one to y is equal to mx plus c. What you can write? Y sin omega is equal to P minus x cos omega. So y will be equal to minus cos omega upon sin omega x plus P upon sin omega, right? So this is your C and this is your M. Okay, got it? So right now we have done the same thing because this is the M we have found, right? See here. That's the slope we have got, right? Tan theta.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's the slope. See. So let's not go because the form is direct. So let's find out using this form, normal form. This is called, you can always reduce to y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, tell me. So this will become your x cos 15 degree plus y sin 15 degree is equal to 4. That is your answer. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sir, yes.
Yeah, so just say that. No? Cos 15 degree, by the way, you can write it is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 and sin 15. You know how to find the values, right? How to find cos 15 and sin 15. Have we done that or not? See, cos 15, how you will find out? You can write cos 45 minus 30.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So cos A minus cos B. From there you can find out, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have also done this type of problem. I don't know if you guys remember or not. But this is a value, so you can substitute these values as well. So you can write root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 x, okay, plus root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 3 y. This is equal to how much? 4. So that is your answer. Write down, everyone. Okay, so that will be all, and you can solve all the problems based on this exercise 10.1 and 10.2. Okay, so these are the forms that we are needed to solve. All right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
I'll see you tomorrow. Please solve exercise 10.1 and 10.2 all questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
See, exercise 10.1 and 10.2. Then only, see, if you solve problem, then only you will understand where you are facing problem. Otherwise, you won't be able to. Okay, so do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.